Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Hohai University CSC scholarship and Hohai University scholarship. So let's start. Type in Google CSC Guide official. Click on the first link as you as you can. So click on the first link. After that you can see here is the website cscguideofficial.com and click on this category CSC scholarship admissions. After that you can see here is the detail of almost every university which you want. So click on the post and get your desired university details. So if you didn't find the detail of the required university, the desired university, then you can go to the next pages as well. So let's start. Today we discuss about Hohai University. So we can open the post of Hohai University university scholarship and Hohai University Chinese government scholarship. Okay, first we discuss Hohai University Chinese government scholarship, and after that we will discuss about Hohai University scholarship, and I also share my experience, last name experience with you as well. So let's start. CSC scholarship, Hohai University, the authority is Chinese government scholarship, and Hohai University is the university name master. This is CSC scholarship is for master and PhD students. Okay, and scholarship type is fully funded scholarship, 3000 RMB for master and 3500 RMB for PhD, and just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 30th of April 2021 means each year they the deadline is 30th of April for Hohai University. Okay, and eligibility criteria is all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. You can apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate, no need of IELTS. If you don't have any IELTS, TOEFL and these kind of certificates, so don't worry about that, just English proficiency certificate is enough. You can see here is the detail of about CSC scholarship results last time, how many students they select, first batch and second batch. You click on that link and you can see the detail about this. So how you have to apply for this scholarship? First you fill CSC online application form, and after filling CSC online application form you need to fill Hohai University online application form. Click how to fill CSC online application form. Click here to fill the form, CSC form. How to fill this, watch these videos. Okay, and after that, after filling CSC online application form, after submitting CSC online application form, you need to submit University online application portal, Hohai University application portal. Click here to fill the university portal. So after that, upload all required documents on CSC portal and University online application portal as well. So no need to send hard copies. After that, after submitting Hohai University online application form, you need to submit 400 RMB application fee. Your status will change to application fee to be paid. Last time they required 200 RMB application fee, but no, this time they required 400 RMB application fee. So the application fee is double. Okay, and now come to the document list, which documents they required. I'll also we will also go to the university portal as well. That means that the cheeky thing and the important things on university portal means required documents. I will tell you about that. I'll also share experience in this university for university scholarship, because I am applied last time on university scholarship, and as already I says to the students that I selected in this university and got scholarship as well in this university. But at them when they nominate me, then I say sorry to him because I already selected another university, so that's why I say sorry to him. So that's why the detail which I give you in this video and detail about this scholarship for CSC, either for university scholarship for this video, it's authentic as well. Means sometimes you says either the documents which means for example this is new documents required for this scholarship. So student says either it's wrong or right, this is new, maybe it's some doubt in this form. So don't worry about this. The same form I used last time, so I'll share my experience in with you. So don't worry about this. And you can say no, first you fill CSC form, after that you need to fill university application form, highest degree, transcript of highest education and undergraduate diploma. Means if you apply for doctoral degree, then you need to upload undergraduate diploma, means your bachelor degree as well. Okay, and if you and transcript as well, diploma and transcript as well. But if you want to apply for master student, if you are a master student and want to apply for master degree, then you need to apply just your bachelor degree. No need to apply your upload your high school certificate and these kind of things. Your bachelor degree is your high school certificate, diploma and transcript. So don't worry, I also show you in online portal, so don't worry. Okay, the most recent visa are residence permit in China. So student confused about that, what we upload in this portion. So you need to upload again passport again. We also go to the online portal, so don't worry about this. When we go to online portal, then I'll show you. So study plan, research proposal, and two recommendation letters, passport copy, economic proof. Click here to get the economic proof. So here is the economic proof. If you worry about that economic proof, so don't worry about this. Here is the detail. So you can make this certificate same like this from your from the means if your brother, sister, mother and father are doing job from somewhere, so make a economics proof certificate from that organization or institute. So here's mentioned that what salary he is or she is. So that's, you can make this form like this. So don't worry about this, either it's correct or not, but it's correct. Okay, it's I selected, I use this same form, means this is the format, so this is correct. Okay, and now go to the back, physical examination form report. So health report, physical examination form means health report is same. So English proficiency certificate, it is not mandatory, no criminal certificate record, and acceptance letter is also not mandatory. Okay, if you want to watch the video of previous year, then you can click here to watch the video. Okay, and now we move forward to the university, Hohai University scholarship. Okay, Hohai University scholarship is Hohai University CSC scholarship. This is CSC scholarship. We discuss university scholarship. So here is the Hohai University scholarship, Chinese University scholarship, Hohai University. This is for bachelor, master and PhD fully funded scholarship. But the fully funded scholarship is only for master and doctoral candidate, not for bachelor degree. Okay, bachelor degree they provide maybe partial scholarship, but maybe they not provide provide you the living allowance and accommodation and these kind of things. So it depends on that condition what they set the criteria for bachelor. But for master and PhD it's fully funded, and stipend is 1700 RMB for master and 2000 RMB for PhD. Okay, just online apply. Maybe it's for 2200, but I think it's at 2000. Okay, maybe 30th of, maybe no, exactly 30th May is the last date of each year for university scholarship. But for CSC scholarship you can see it's 30th of April, but for university scholarship it's 30th of May. All international students can apply. Age limit for bachelor 25 and for master 35, and for PhD 40 years. You can apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate. All the procedure and all the required documents same like as CSC scholarship in Hohai University, but the difference is that in Hohai University online application form, for if you want to apply for Hohai University scholarship, you don't need to fill CSC form, you just need to fill university online application for portal. Here you can check the procedure. Fill university online application procedure form, upload our required documents on university portal. No need to send hard copies, just pay 400 RMB application fee after submitting Hohai University online application form. Means 400 RMB application fee is same for both CSC and university scholarship students. Okay, and you can check the result of last year, previous year CSC scholarship, not university scholarship, because they not public the list. I think maybe they publish, but I don't the member of the group on that time when they select they publish the result of university scholarship. So because I already say sorry to them that I can't join this can't join. So this, please give this seat to any other students who deserve that. So that's why I leave the seat. So I don't want to waste that seat, so I leave that opportunity and get another opportunity, CSC scholarship. So that's why you can see here is the 27 students, 5 students almost. Here is the first batch of CSC scholarship, and here is the second batch. Okay, you can check that. So now move forward to the next step. So for which documents required? First to fill university online application form, and these are the documents, same documents required for university scholarship as well. The difference is just CSC form. So for university scholarship, no, you don't need to fill university CSC form. You just fill CSC. You just fill university online application form and upload all these required documents. Okay, you can't you never upload these documents, economic proof and your most visa permit. This is a passport, like same, but this documents you don't upload on never upload on CSC form, because this is just for university scholarship. I mean, this is just for university portal, it's not for CSC portal. Okay, and all other documents are same. So no, after that, when you think that the deadline is 30th of March and you need to fill just online application forms, university online application form, and these are the required documents, then you need to fill university online application portal. Click here and go to the university online application portal. After signing up, you you can when you come here, then this is the pop-up you can show here. Click on online application and click on home. Okay, online application. After that, you can see I already make an application. So far I already make video in Urdu, so that's why I delete this form and create a new form. When you show the screen like this, click on online application form and select I read and agree and click on OK. And if Chinese government scholarship, first I select Chinese government scholarship and go to the next. I just show the documents which they required. If first I select doctoral students. Okay, after that I select any major. This is just for demo because I give you the demo. Click on home option and go to the online application form and view the form. I just view the form, not fill the form. If you want to fill the form, then watch this video. Okay, here is the video. Okay, and if you want to watch the last year video, then you can see here. So I'll go to the, and these are the documents you can see here. Copy of passport, undergraduate diploma and undergraduate transcript. Means undergraduate diploma, your undergraduate degree, and your undergraduate transcript, and your master diploma and master transcript. They typed, I think they typed double diploma is transcript here. So most visa permit, you need to upload again passport size photo, passport home page. You need to upload passport home page again without any hesitation. You upload your passport home page. Study plan, recommendation letter, health report, physical examination form, economic proof, the same which I told you already. No criminal certificate record, English proficiency certificate, and abstract or thesis and etc. Okay, if you have acceptance letter, you think that you have acceptance letter and where I should upload this acceptance letter, so don't worry about this. So just give the advisor name. Here is the advisor name. Advisor name, you can put your advisor name and your advisor contact here. And also when you fill the form, after filling the form, submitting the form, paying the application fee, you submit, you just contact with the professor so and told them, sir, I filled the form and this is my application form, and please support my application. So he can support your application, inshallah. So I go back, and after going back, we will check again online application. Now I go to the, I select master degree. First I select I just for delete one, this one, and I select now I select, this time I select master degree. Okay, click on the application. Okay, I click on the application. Now the internet speed is little bit slow, so I click on a online application again. So internet speed is a little bit slow, so I don't know what happened, the speed is slow. So I select agree and go to next, and I select for example I select university scholarship. I select university scholarship and select the master this time, but this time I select university scholarship. So I select it and go to go forward again. So maybe internet speed problem, so I click on the again first apply, and you can see after that the same steps like previous. So I go to the back home and click on the view application form again. I just show you that which documents required for master and for PhD while uploading in Hohai University online application portal. So speed is a little bit slow, I don't know what's happening. So at that time when I recording video, at that time the internet speed has been very slow. So the internet speed is very slow at that time, and already very slow at that time. So online application and master students, I just view the form. That which documents they required. Copy of passport, high school diploma. But in case when you apply for a doctoral degree, then you use see here they required undergraduate diploma, undergraduate transcript, and master diploma and master transcript. But when you apply for master degree, then they required high school diploma and high school transcript. Okay, means your high school diploma is your bachelor degree and your bachelor diploma and your bachelor transcript. If you don't have bachelor diploma yet, then and you just have make provisional, and if you don't have provisional and you are studying, and then you need to upload hope certificate and visa permit, and these all other documents are same. Okay, economic proof I already show you. So this is the difference between master and PhD students uploading section, and all other form is same like previous year and other things. So I already told this in other videos, previous videos, so that's why I don't fill the form again. So hope so you get this video. If you want to get any information about scholarship, China scholarship, visit our website cscguideofficial.com, and faculty links, presidential scholarship, just online apply universities list, and 2020 scholarship and current scholarship, and these kind of things. You can check the result of CSC scholarship of last year, so you can visit our website cscguideofficial.com. Good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.